I don't know when the first party goers will start again. But anyway, if you come here, you can see there are plenty of guns. If you want to have a free gun, you can come here tomorrow morning again. Pick one from the garbage. Good morning. It is the 14th of April, which means it's the second day of Songkran on Sunday. And I'm here at the Democracy Monument. And I'm on my way to Khao San. And there is literally an army of cleaners working here. And this is my third Songkran video of the year. And after I showed you the pre-Songkran, I showed you the Songkran festivities at Sanam Luang, and now I'm going to show you the aftermath. And I think a lot of people do not understand how much work it is and how many people are involved in cleaning up after the party. So let's go to Khao San Road and see how the situation is over there. So we are here at the entrance of Khao San. And as you can see, I would classify this as a battlefield. I guess there are still people celebrating now, and it's probably a lot busier than last year. I mean, there is still one more day of Songkran, or there are actually still 2 more days, but one big day of Songkran to go. Big respect for these guys. So first, all the garbage is collected by the sweeping crew, and then these guys come to get it all out. Yeah, this is quite an operation. So you have this powder stuff that's on the floor here, and I think that's the biggest mess. Yeah, so it's around 7:15. So these are the last man standing, but look how much garbage it created. Tonight there's one more round, and then officially it's also still on Monday. Yeah, and if you come here in the night, it's completely packed. You're basically walking in a kind of traffic jam. Well, I can imagine that this is a bit tiring for the people that work here, and there are 2 more days to go. So yesterday was the big night, the Saturday night, but tonight is going to be crazy again. Yeah, it's not only Khao San Road, of course, that had the celebrations. It's throughout the whole area here. So let's just go around and see how Lambutri looks. Well, it almost looks like a war zone, right? Somebody left its car here. Yeah, I made a similar video last year, and I just wanted to give an update. First of all, to show how it looks, and second of all, I want to thank all the people that work for the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration, all the police, all the cleaners, everybody that makes sure that this city is running and make sure that these kind of festivals and parties can happen. And while everybody is sleeping off the drinks from last night, these guys are out and about. Oh. I don't know when the first party goers will start again, but anyway, if you come here, you can see there are plenty of guns. If you want to have a free gun, you can come here tomorrow morning again, pick one from the garbage, maybe clean them up and sell them again next year. Another infamous area for Songkran is Silam, but this they all clean up right after the celebrations because this street needs to be open for traffic. And as you can see, this actually looks like nothing happened here last night, and believe me, this was full. You see, you have all these big stages in here. And during the day and evening, this is absolute mayhem. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the aftermath of the Songkran. I showed you Khao San, I showed you a little bit here in Silam. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.